There are two quick methods to create a linear scale in SketchUp. The first method involves drawing a vertical line that spans the entire height difference and then making subdivisions. The divide function allows for precise divisions by either moving the cursor or inputting a specific value, such as 18. This ensures accurate and customized divisions regardless of the height, even if it is not a round number. By utilizing this segmented line, it can be used as a reference for measurements and accurately identify the height in SketchUp. Let's discuss the initial step and then I can replicate it. Obviously, I can apply the same approach to determine the required depth and length of the staircase. This way, I can ensure that all the steps have precise dimensions and are identical. However, let's proceed to the second method, which is even faster than the first. Its effectiveness, though, depends on the specific situations that arise during the model making process. It is advantageous to have a variety of tools at our disposal. Therefore, I roughly sketched another design and converted it into a component. I then duplicated it in a linear series. The first step in this series is positioned as if it were step 0, recessed into the floor. To have more control, I copied it to the top. So I identified the total spacing, so-called, and I make a division, divide by 18/18, send immediately after creating the first linear series copy in SketchUp LED series. So these can also be completely wrong if we want, but they are components. So then I enter one of these and modify one, and they all change, shorten, move, lengthen, widen, whatever it is, without any limitations or restrictions, providing flexibility and efficiency in the design process. For instance, in this case, if I desired to construct a staircase with a seamless intrados, a type of solid concrete staircase, I would adjust a line until I reach the step below, conceal certain lines, and ultimately achieve the appearance of a staircase composed of a single element. I am unaware of the fact that there are actually numerous components adjacent to each other, which can still be altered at a later time to fulfill any additional updating needs in the project. In addition, I also hide these little pieces here, and here it is, and then clearly if I were to add, for example, a handrail or a protrusion on the step. Any other modification is then synchronized and coordinated from start to finish, ensuring a seamless and cohesive outcome throughout the entire process. Delete first and last that maybe are, let's say, exactly the departure ones. These are the two extremes of the scale. Here are two fast systems for creating a scale in SketchUp. If you want to deepen SketchUp, I remind you that in my Scuola 3D platform you can find video courses from basic SketchUp to more advanced topics such as rendering.